you can easily connect your phone to your new Toyota via Bluetooth without using a QR code or the Toyota app. This traditional method works with various devices and provides a reliable connection. First, access the Bluetooth settings on your Toyota's infotainment system through the touchscreen menu. Look for the Settings or Bluetooth option on your car's display. On your phone, enable Bluetooth and set it to discoverable mode. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on in your phone's settings. In your Toyota, select Add Device or Pair New Device from the Bluetooth menu. This will make your car discoverable to nearby devices. Choose your phone from the list of available devices that appears on the car's screen. Your phone should appear in the list of discoverable devices. Confirm the matching PIN codes displayed on both your car's screen and your phone. Both devices will show the same numerical code that you need to verify. Finally, configure permissions for calling, audio, and messaging. The system will ask which services you want to enable for your connected device. This traditional Bluetooth pairing method has a high success rate, with 89% of users successfully pairing on the first attempt. Your phone is now connected and ready to use with your Toyota. When Bluetooth pairing doesn't work as expected, there are several troubleshooting steps and alternative connection methods you can try. First, let's cover the most effective troubleshooting steps that resolve the majority of Bluetooth connection issues. The first and most effective step is to restart both your phone and the car's infotainment system. This clears any temporary connection conflicts that may be preventing successful pairing. Second, make sure your phone is within close proximity to the car during the pairing process. Stay within about 3 feet of the infotainment system for the strongest connection signal. Third, clearing your phone's Bluetooth cache can resolve connection problems. This step resolves about 60% of Bluetooth pairing issues. Here you can see the Bluetooth cache clearing option in your phone's settings. Look for the Clear Cache button in your Bluetooth app settings. Now let's explore alternative connection methods when traditional Bluetooth pairing isn't working or isn't preferred. The most reliable alternative is using a USB cable connection. This provides a direct wired connection that enables Android Auto or Apple CarPlay functionality with the most stable connection possible. Toyota's voice recognition system offers another hands-free pairing option. Simply say, "Pair phone," or connect Bluetooth to initiate the pairing process through voice commands. Here's what your iPhone Bluetooth settings should look like when properly configured for pairing. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled and your device is discoverable. If these methods don't work, professional assistance is always available from your Toyota dealer. Your Toyota dealer can provide professional setup during service visits, expert troubleshooting for complex issues, and system updates. Basic pairing assistance is typically provided at no additional cost. Remember, traditional Bluetooth pairing remains a user-friendly and accessible option in your Toyota. These troubleshooting steps and alternative methods ensure you can always stay connected.